Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa Meghan. If you have not yet or are new to the channel, please make sure to click the subscribe button and the little bell icon beside it to be notified when I post new videos, which is every Monday, and I'm thinking maybe now Fridays too. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure you click those. And yeah, so basically for today we're going to be doing a room tour. I really want to show you guys my room because I love it. And I don't know, I spent a lot of time here. I've always wanted to do a room tour. I like watching room tours and I just think it's really interesting. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's just get into it. Okay, so when you first walk in, this is my room here, just an overview. So the first thing that you see is this first white little shelf here that I have from IKEA, and honestly this is just, I mean, I call this my nerd shelf. So basically I just have some, okay, we'll start up here actually. So just on the top here I have all of my memory jars that I make. Each year I make one and I just put it up there and I fill it with all my little memories that I don't want to forget. So I think I started in 2015, yeah, because that's 2019, and that's just an extra jar I made, but haven't used it yet. Anyways, then on the next shelf I have some of my books, notebooks, sketchbooks, yearbooks, all that stuff. And then I have my movies here, so many good ones, classics, yes. And I have a couple more books here. These are more like notebooks, I think. And then I have this little cookie tin here that is from, it's like a London phone booth, that's what it looks like. And I got a matching one for me and my best friend, so cute. And I know he's gonna be watching this, so hi. We have matching ones. And I got that one from a thrift store. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm shaking the camera. Okay. Then down here, I just have some little trinkets and stuff, some Harry Potter chocolate frogs, my wands, the Mortar's map thingy. I have some of my little pops here, a gumball machine, little grease car, Coke bottle, just, you know, yeah. Then down here, I just have two tea boxes, these little jewelry stuff, and yeah, just this cute kind of stuff. And then if you come down here, I have my Ariana Grande perfume, my Ariana Grande perfume boxes, because I think they're so cute and I really don't want to throw them away. They're just so cute. And then that's this little jewelry box, little teapot, and down here I have my cute little typewriter that my dad got me, and I have some extra bags. And then in front of it I have this little cart thing. So these are all of my cheerbows. I actually have a lot and they don't quite fit in here, but they're cute, so. And I don't really have anywhere else to put them. I actually am thinking of doing a collection video on these because I just feel like it. And I like watching bow collection videos. Then if I come down here, I just have a bunch of stuff really. I keep my lotions here, perfumes, candles, just anything really. And then lastly down here, I have my, what's it called? I have my makeup bags. There's a lot. And yeah, that's that. So that just kind of sits there. And on the back of my door, I just have like some coats and jackets and robes and stuff. Then, oh my gosh, there's prints on my wall. Then if you come over here, just have a laundry basket here and my full-size mirror. Hi. And behind there I just keep my camera bag just because there's nowhere else to put it, so yeah. Then over here we have my closet, another mirror, hello. I don't know why I have two mirrors. I think I had this one before and then I got that one, but that one's better to be honest, but I just haven't gotten rid of this one yet, so maybe we'll do that soon. In fact, I want a whole new mirror, but I gotta go buy that. Yeah, so I just have these cute little thingies on it. I don't know what they're called. They're basically little cards, but I got them from an art store. So yeah, it's like a king and queen card on it, typewriter, ballet shoes, and this one is so cute. I got it from a record store in the city, Toronto. Yeah, and it's really cute. And then I keep all my cheer medals and stuff here, and like from school and whatever. And then down here I have this sunglasses rack and I've been meaning to put it up and I think it's so cute, and I have a little obsession with sunglasses, but I really just don't know where to put it, to be honest, and I don't want to make holes in my wall to put it if I'm not going to keep it there, you know what I mean? Plus I want to move my room around again, so we'll see where I end up putting that. And then onto my desk here, I just have this little stool, which is actually not mine. It's from, we have a piano downstairs and I took it from there because nobody uses it anyways, and I needed a stool, but I need a real one and maybe a cute one, so yeah. And then I have a little garbage can down there. This is like my makeup desk. I don't really use it for anything else, but yeah, so I just have this little oh my gosh, this is a disaster already. We're gonna pretend that didn't happen. Okay, so basically I just have this little thing, I don't know what it's called. And here I just keep some ribbons from cheer and these little clothespins that the girls stick on each other's bags, which I think is so cute, and I always save them because they're adorable. And here I have my little whiteboard marker things for my board thingy, agenda, whatever, that tells me what I need to do. And it is 2 months behind, so that's great. I need to fix that. Then I just have my hairbrushes here, makeup brushes, my little mirror for makeup, and all my makeup is here. And in the drawer is super messy, but I just have it organized a little bit, like eyelashes, yeah, and don't mind that. And then I just have this little fan here because my room gets super hot at night, and you know, it's not the best, but it works, does the job, so we're good. And over here I just have my bed. This is what it looks like. Not much to say about it. It's from IKEA. It's great. This blanket from Urban Outfitters is wonderful. I suggest getting one. They're very warm and soft. And then up here I have this little phone booth picture from London. Actually from IKEA, but you know what I mean. If you can't tell, I like London. I really want to go to London. And then I have my cute curtains here. I don't know why. Okay. I don't know why, but I'm like so obsessed with these curtains. I think it's just the color of like all the colors combined, you know what I mean? I like the yellow and the pink and everything in it, and then the gray and the black too. Those are from IKEA, but I just think they're super cute and I really like them, and I'm not 100% sure why, but I do. Anyway, so then over here we have my little nightstand, and it's one of the mirrored ones, and I really love it. And then I have my lamp here. This little cup thingy, I just put like my jewelry in there, my keys, lip balm, that kind of stuff. I have a few books over here. This one is a writing book. If you don't know, I write a little bit, so I keep it there in case I have to write anything. And up here on the windowsill I just have like a bucket of pens and pencils and stuff if I need it. Also here I have a little vase filled with dead roses. Well, they're dry. Also I have some here that don't fit in the vase, but that's okay. Basically, whenever someone would give me like a flower or something, I always dry it out and I'll just keep it because I think it's so sweet and so cute and I want to remember it. Yeah, so there's that. This drawer just has like phone cases, extra sunglasses and stuff in there. A little bit of jewelry. Down here I have all my hair stuff in here, scrunchies, headbands, stuff like that. And the last drawer down here is filled with all of my electronic stuff. Yeah. And then, moving on, here I have my little Sully from Disney World next to this shelf up here. So basically up there, to start off, I just have my collection of little pink dogs. I don't know why, I love the little pink dogs. They're so cute. So I literally just started a collection. I'm like, okay, great. And they just kind of chill up there. And this is my, you know, I love this shelf. It has all my shoes, all my bags on it. So yeah, that's that. And then over here I just have this little corner of stuffed animals. I don't know why. There's my Jack, my little collection of stitches. Yeah, it's great. Alright, and then moving on here, it's my Starbucks cup. Here I just have a, what are these called? Basket? Crate, that's what it's called. Here I have my crate, and it's just filled with all these records that I've gotten from like thrift stores and like actual stores, you know, swing record. I also keep some of my extra wallets in here because I just don't know where to put them. Oh, and a cute little sticker from a surf shop. Yeah, so that's that, even though I don't have a record player, but I want one and I'm obsessed with records. I doesn't make sense to me either. I don't know. And then over here I just have my little TV. It's super small, but it does the job. It works. So yeah, just keep that there. And over here I just have this little tray with my candles, some little, this is supposed to be like the Beauty and the Beast thing. I don't know if I did a good job recreating it, but whatever, it works. And it's a cute little tea set from my grandma, and this tray that I have from a thrift store. But yeah, I just have this little setup here and it looks cute. And then I have this little light up arrow here, just because for decoration. And that is what is on my dresser. And we're back to the door now. So that's all for my room. Here's just a quick overview. Great. So yeah, I guess that's my whole room. That's everything. Honestly, I kind of want to redo my room. I can't go like 3-4 months without moving my room around. I don't know why. I just like to move things around a lot, and I'm pretty sure my thumb was covering the mic the whole time. I hope it wasn't. Anyways, yeah, so I think I might move my room around again. Honestly, there's things that I want to do to it that I haven't yet, and there's like new furniture and stuff I just want to change it a little bit. I like changing my room a lot. So if that happens, then there will be another room tour to come. Alright, so cut to the outro then. So that is going to be all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys liked seeing my room. If you did, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Also, remember to click that subscribe button once again. And if you want to be my friend and see more of me, then please make sure to go in the description down below, because I will have my Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter linked there. So yeah. Anyways, that's going to be all for the video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!